How you doing? Rick Bowman, and we're back with the second video of how to buy a car with bad credit. And in this video, I kind of want to just lay some groundwork of, I guess the way people get treated when they have bad credit. And frankly, to tell you the truth, I think it sucks. Okay, most of them are treated like garbage when they go into a dealership. That causes a mindset from the customer of, getting their back up, okay? And I just want to get us all on a level playing field, first of all, on when it comes to buying a car and you're in this situation. First of all, I've always felt bad for people, and I had a lot of compassion for this area of the automotive industry. I took a lot of crap from my superiors during that time, because I would spend days on trying to get somebody who was truly deserving of an auto loan, get them approved, and find the right way to get it done. So this is something I specialize in, and it's very near and dear to my heart. And there's a lot of people out there that have this situation in their life. And I'll start by saying that all you got to do, and if you think that you're better than some of the people that got bad credit, I'm telling you right now, you're wrong. You're seconds away from it. All you need to do is have one bad thing happen in your life, a death in the family, a major medical incident, and it rocks your world. It's something that you go from 0 to 0 in a credit score literally overnight. I personally had it happen to me in a very unfortunate incident in my life. And I was a good person. I did the right things, and I personally experienced it. And I'm telling you from experience, I know exactly how to get out of that situation. And I've helped hundreds and hundreds of people get cars that they probably shouldn't have. So let's talk first of all about why do dealerships treat these people like garbage? Well, number one, because when it comes to subprime financing, which is the polite way to say bad credit financing, there's not a lot of profit in it for the dealerships, okay? Loans are very, very regulated by people that are in this situation, by the banks. And what happens is they can't sell the car and make a ton of money on it. So that's one reason why. Number two, it's a tedious process, and you really have to understand the financing process and subprime lending. And unfortunately, most finance directors, most finance managers that work for these dealerships don't. They're looking for the quick buck. Now, I took a few minutes to go ahead and just do some research on the internet, matter of fact, the last couple of days, on the advice that's being given out there on how to buy a car with bad credit, because I like to make sure I know who's trying to teach you how to do something. The advice just flat out sucks, okay? I'll tell you this. Now, I looked at a couple of videos that were online, and one of the videos' advice was, get a cosigner. Well, that is the stupidest advice I've ever heard, okay? Because most people in bad credit situations have exhausted that possibility. They've either already looked at it or nobody wants to do it for them. That's really stupid. The second piece of advice that was huge was, well, pay cash. Yeah, pay cash. Come on, please. Okay, most bad credit people don't have that kind of cash laying around. And, of course, that's an option, but it's a stupid option. That's not what people are looking for. They're looking to be told how they can do it. And you can. And there's plenty of banks out there that specialize in this type of auto lending. So, when you're looking at advice, again, like I said, you want to check out who's the person that's teaching you. Have they ever financed an auto loan? Have they ever worked with those banks? If they haven't, and they've never been in the auto business, why are you listening to them? Don't. Now, the way we're going to set this up is a step-by-step process on videos, and it's going to tell you exactly what to do. Now, we've got a lot of resources that are going to be on our website. And some of these videos you're going to have to watch on the website, okay, because that's where the resources are. And we're going to take you through the loan application process, exactly how you apply. We don't lie. So if you think for a second that you're going to get around it, these banks are not stupid, and you can't lie on it. In the next video, though, we're going to start with step one, and that's the mindset, okay, of how you need to be thinking when you're going after a car loan. And I sure hope this helps some people out there. Like I said, our entire website, it's free, okay? We don't charge to watch the videos. We try to find as many resources out there that are free for you that make this process easy. But we will guide this through you, hold your hand, and just do a step-by-step thing. So we will catch you in the next video, and that one we're going to start with step one, and that's the mindset and thinking right, okay, before you go into the dealership. And we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for listening.